Alright everyone, Chris Lambert back again here with one more unboxing video before Halloween. A couple of these things I've shown you and another one is new, so I want to show you that. The first one is the thing hand, and this one comes with a necklace of the window. I don't know if you can really see it, but the window where Wednesday was with her roommate. Big circle window, half colorful and half black and white, because Wednesday is allergic to color. So it's the thing hand. Everybody who dresses up for the Tim Burton Netflix TV series for Halloween gets one of these Lurch hands. So and the next thing are thing hands. I keep reading my Lurch. It's a thing hand. The next one is the Lurch shoes that go with my costume that I didn't know. It's got a big rubber band on it. Big rubber band on it. It's got a really cool box. It's pink here. It's by Phantasma. Here we got a nice Halloween cats on there. Step into fun. And here we've got, now I bought these because I couldn't find the lace-up ones. Later I found the lace-up ones, and he's wearing a suit. Lurch is supposed to be like a butler or something, chauffeur, but I'm not going to spend a lot more money now. I might not even wear these, but this is to give you some height. Make me tall. You can also use this for a Frankenstein outfit. It's got some 5-inch clog heels here, so yeah, that's gotta be fun, right? And the next thing, I think they just recently came out with, was another thing hand. Only this is a crawling version of the thing hand. Let's open this up. Let's see if this thing works. So make some room here. Open it up. See on the bottom, it's got a battery compartment with a on-off switch. Let's see how to open it. We can open on this. Turn it on. I guess it needs batteries, but this one will actually crawl. I'll put some batteries in. I'll come back and I'll show you what, how it walks. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my videos, and I'll see what more stuff I could come up with in the future. Bye for now. Okay, you guys, don't do what I did. Stick just fell on me from a tree. Don't do what I did and start taking all 6 screws out when you only need to take one. Loosen one. I should have looked at it better. And then it takes 3 AAA batteries. There's one thing I don't like about this hand. It plays loud music from the movie, the Wednesday TV series, and I wish it would just be quiet. But I'll demonstrate that in a second. Let me put the cover back on here. This goes on like this. Screws in with your little... Make sure you have some of these screwdrivers for glasses, and I'll show you in a second. Okay, you guys, here we go.